back here on the COE truck for Kyle, got our fan brackets done. Obviously, you saw we had to do a little fabrication, but we made them fit nice and tight. I have riveted this. Now, it's also going to be bolted when we do our brackets that go to the chassis. But the rivets itself are holding the fan assembly, bracketry, to the radiator. And then we've loosened them all up, and I had the boys push down on this. So now we have a nice seal all the way around. We're tight. So that looks incredible. That baby's on and ready to go. And by pushing this down as far as we can, we gain as much clearance on the back side of the radiator as possible, because we know it's going to be very tight up against that firewall.